Hey guys, welcome to my channel Glitch Cats. I'm Bok Savas and today we're here with another geography video. So for today's video, I will be naming all 197 flags of the world. Let's get right into it. So let's start. Okay, is everything okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Japan. I might not be talking. Yeah, I won't be talking. Macedonia. Okay, I'll start talking again. This could either be Chad or Romania because they have the same flag. But I'm just, no. So then that means this is Chad because they have the same flag. Like, and yeah. Like, I don't understand why some countries have the same flags. Like, it makes it harder. For example, that example right there. Madagascar. Okay, I'll be naming them. Uzbekistan, Colombia, Ireland, Nigeria, Myanmar, Kenya, Malawi, Russia, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Hungary, I can't pronounce that, Bhutan, Comoros, Mauritius, Dominica, Antigua and Barbuda, Slovenia, Panama, Botswana, Ivory Coast, France, Belize, Thailand, India, Namibia, Belarus, Armenia, Barbados, Mexico, Australia, East Timor or Timor-Leste, Cuba, Bahrain, yeah, like this, Bulgaria, this is no, I said Chad before. Romania. See, they have the same flag. China, Jamaica, Haiti, Montenegro, Samoa, Luxembourg, Kuwait, Norway, Burkina Faso, Mongolia, Micronesia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Italy, Malaysia, South Korea, Sudan, Kiribati, Morocco, Egypt. Ooh, we've passed 100, I just realized. Uganda, Senegal, Indonesia or Monaco. Why do countries have the same flag? It's just annoying. Like, why do they like? It's not nice. Like, why? Like, why don't they get their own flag? Supposed to be St. Vincent the Grenadines, but anyways, let's continue. Vatican City, United Kingdom, Tonga, North Korea. This is hard to spell. Kyrgyzstan, Mozambique, Lesotho, Bangladesh, Sweden, Palestine, Turkmenistan, Solomon Islands, Syria, Zimbabwe, Guatemala, Libya, Equatorial Guinea, Costa Rica, Peru, Djibouti, 160, nice. Iran, Cape Verde, Brunei, whatever. Afghanistan, Sierra Leone, Bahamas, Lithuania, Uruguay, Tuvalu, Burundi, Estonia, Philippines, Croatia, Malta, Azerbaijan, Kosovo, I think that's El Salvador, I'm not sure. We're so close. We're so close. Oh my god. Come on. Kazakhstan, Poland, Portugal, Canada, Trinidad and Tobago, Algeria, United States of America, Eritrea. Okay, we're so close. Honduras, San Marino, Germany. Now, this right here is Indonesia. Like, they have the same flag. Ethiopia. Oop, I forgot the H. Ethiopia. And last but not least, Slovakia. We did it. We got 100%. That was a big achievement. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.